Hello guys, so guess what? I'm gonna be unboxing my beautiful birthday gift because I'm still on holiday and I'm still enjoying the vibe, enjoying the cruise. So right now I'm gonna be unboxing it, although my kids already opened it for me, but I'm just gonna show you what's in it in shots. Okay, let's check it out. So here is the box. So Just Pink luxury gift set includes perfume, bath and body and cozy socks. So let's check it out. So, la la. I know my son was playing with it earlier, so it's just messy. So, right now, I got perfume. So, here is Just Pink shower oil. Okay, that's the shower oil, and this is the perfume. I haven't tried it, but I guess it's gonna be nice. And here is some body butter, moisture, and Just Pink, which is a lip balm. I guess this is the fluffy socks that comes with it. And this is looking so nice and beautiful. And I love my luxury gifts.